of course, is the situation in the national capital. I beg your pardon. There's been a huge surge in coronavirus cases in the national capital. Delhi's witnessed its highest single-day death count till date. That's 131 deaths due to COVID-19, which have been recorded in the last 24 hours. This has taken Delhi's death toll to over 7,900. The national capital on Wednesday also reported over 7,000 fresh cases. This means that the active case tally has gone over 42,000. Arvind Kejriwal has called for an all-party meet at 11 a.m. to mull measures to contain the virus spread in the capital. This comes at a time when hospital beds in the capital are also facing a crunch. Chief Minister Kejriwal said that in the next few days, 663 beds will be added in Delhi hospitals. The centre has also pledged to step in and add 750 ICU beds.
दिल्ली सरकार के जितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उनमें हमें उम्मीद है कि अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर 663 आईसीयू बेड्स टोटल जो 238 जीटीबी के हैं वो मिला के 663 आईसीयू बेड्स हम लोग अगले कुछ दिनों में बढ़ा देंगे। केंद्र सरकार ने हमें 750 एडिशनल बेड्स डीआरडीओ की फैसिलिटी में देने का एश्योरेंस किया है। उसके लिए हम केंद्र सरकार के शुक्रगुजार हैं। तो लगभग दोनों मिला के 1400 के करीब एडिशनल बेड्स अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर मैं समझता हूँ आईसीयू बेड्स तैयार हो जाएंगे।
Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Ashutosh, the all-party meet at 11 a.m. The focus will be on what kind of measures are now taken up to contain the COVID spread in Delhi.
The reason being there was also politics played from the opposition camp in Delhi where they were targeting the AAP government. So clearly one-sided, there was in fact also a demand that why the Chief Minister is not calling an all-party meeting, and that seems to be playing that all-party meeting has been called where the government will inform the opposition camp what are the measures they are taking, what are the measures being taken, and what are the support they are getting from the center. At the same time, it is also going to be crucial what are the suggestions and steps will be suggested from the opposition parties to the government as well. Because when it comes to all-party meeting, this is not only about the information, but this is also about getting those suggestions and work on it. At the same time, yes, indeed, the number as it is witnessing a surge is also a matter of worry because in last 10 days, almost 60,000 people have been infected with this virus, and more than 100 deaths that was reported yesterday is also a matter of concern. And last it was reported on 12th November, just a week ago, when 104 people died because of the COVID. So clearly, those situations seems to be worrying the entire government, be it in Delhi or the centre, and that seems to be a reason why the centre has also stepped in. They have assured more than 700 ICU beds with BBMP and government. Now, yesterday you heard the Chief Minister saying that more than 600 ICU beds will also be prepared in Delhi government hospitals. So there will be an infra boost up to more than 1300 ICU beds available. But again, since it seems to be a beginning, unless there is a declining trend of this COVID surge in the cases and the mortality rate, that needs to be the government and all agencies, all departments need to be vigilant and on alert.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you for those details. We'll be closely tracking the outcome of the all-party meet in Delhi as well.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.